bit of sand today. We're running out for our mixture of sand, salt, and cinders that we throw down. Have the salt bed in the back of my truck, so I can't drive it over here. Got a truck that we borrowed from the parts department. It's actually a really good running GMC, or Chevy I should say. It's got a 3126, I believe, cat in it with a Spicer 7-speed. So it's just straight 7 speeds. There's no splitter for high or low gears. This truck runs really well. It's the first time I've ever used it. The only thing I'm missing compared to the one that I normally drive is my exhaust brake. So this truck also has hydraulic brakes on it, which is not the best for a big dump truck. Hoping to get some better footage of getting loaded, but I had to ask the guy for permission because I'm not one to get anybody in trouble. Kind of an older fella. He said it probably wouldn't be a good idea, so I wanted to get outside and maybe show him loading the loader, but gotta obey by the rules. Don't want to make anybody mad or get anybody in trouble. He said as long as I was in the truck though, it would be fine. So. I'll let you have one wild guess of what you think the next video is going to be about. I think we're going to be plowing some snow. But thanks for hanging in there. I can't really work on any projects with the weather being like it is. And thanks again also for the people that commented in the 6x6 video. I guess my audio sometimes is hit or miss. I've been looking into getting a microphone that I can clip on that's Bluetooth to the GoPro. Sometimes the audio is extremely loud or the music's extremely loud and you can barely hear what I'm saying. But I'm definitely learning. You know, I'm very new at this, but thanks for, sticking in there. Thank you to all the new subscribers that have showed up. I really appreciate all the kind comments I've been getting as well. And everything's going great so far. I really appreciate the community and everything that we've built, with the Fox Shop and Central Oregon Shenanigans. Those guys have been great with me as well. Got a lot of viewers and a lot of subscribers that came over from them. So I'm hoping the more I get, maybe people haven't heard of them, they'll check them out as well. If you want to check out them, their channel links will be in the video description below. But thanks again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment or a question down below. Consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you're into. And just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. Now that this video is over and the weather's nasty here, how about you go out and work on something? I'm not working on anything tonight. I'm going to go on in the house and I'm going to take a nice hot long shower. Until next time, my name is Zane and I'll see you then.